Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Biography. Today, we are going to learn English through the amazing story of one of the fastest people in history. His name is Usain Bolt.
Have you ever wondered how an ordinary boy from a small village became the fastest man in the world? Was he always successful? Did he ever fail? Did he ever feel afraid? Today, we will find out. As you listen, you will also learn many useful English words. Whenever you hear a difficult word, I will explain it in simple English. This will help you improve both your listening and your vocabulary.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Our story begins in a small town called Sherwood Content in Jamaica. Jamaica is a beautiful island country in the Caribbean. It is famous for music, beaches, and fast runners. Usain Bolt was born on August 21, 1986. His parents owned a small grocery shop. A grocery shop is a store that sells food and daily items. Life was simple. Usain loved playing outside. He enjoyed cricket. He enjoyed football. He loved running with his friends. At that time, nobody thought this energetic boy would become a world legend. Energetic means full of energy. Even as a child, Usain was very fast. His teachers noticed that he could run much faster than other children. Notice means to see or realize something. But running was not his biggest dream. He wanted to become a famous cricket player. Cricket was his favorite sport. However, his teachers had another idea. They believed he had a special gift. A gift means a natural talent or ability. They encouraged him to join running competitions. Encourage means to give someone confidence to do something. At first, Usain was not very interested. He liked playing games more than serious training. Training means practicing to improve your skills. Still, he listened to his teachers. That small decision changed his life forever. But something unexpected happened. As Usain grew older, running became more difficult. The races became faster. His competitors became stronger. Competitor means someone who tries to win against you. Usain also had to work very hard. He practiced almost every day. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he wanted to stop. But he continued. Continue means to keep going without stopping. When he was only 15 years old, something amazing happened. He competed in the World Junior Championships. Championship means a big sports competition. The event was held in Jamaica. Thousands of people came to watch. The young runner wanted to make his country proud. Proud means feeling happy because of success. Usain ran with all his heart. He won the gold medal. Gold medal means first place. The crowd became very excited. People started talking about the young runner. Many believed they had just seen the future of athletics. Athletics means sports like running, jumping, and throwing. Winning this competition changed everything. Now people expected great things from him. Expectation means believing something good will happen. But success also brought pressure. Pressure means a feeling that you must do well. Many young athletes become nervous under pressure. Nervous means worried or afraid. Usain also felt pressure. People wanted him to win every race. That was not easy. However, this was only the beginning. As he became older, injuries started causing problems. An injury means damage to your body. Sometimes his legs hurt. Sometimes his back hurt. Sometimes he could not train properly. Properly means in the correct way. Many people wondered if his career would end early. Career means your long working life in one field. But Usain refused to give up. Refuse means to say no. Instead, he listened to his coaches. A coach is a person who trains athletes. They helped him become stronger. They taught him how to improve his running. Slowly, his body became healthier. Slowly, his confidence returned. Confidence means believing in yourself. What happened next surprised everyone. In 2008, the Olympic Games were held in Beijing, China. The Olympic Games are the biggest sports event in the world. Millions of people watched. Everyone wanted to see the world's fastest runners. Usain entered the 100-meter race. The 100-meter race is one of the shortest and most exciting races. The runners stood quietly. The stadium became silent. Then the gun sounded. Bang! The runners exploded from the starting line. Exploded means they started very quickly. Usain ran faster and faster. His long legs moved like powerful machines. Before people understood what was happening, the race was over. Usain Bolt won the gold medal. He became the fastest man in the world. The crowd could not believe their eyes. He even celebrated before crossing the finish line. Celebrate means to show happiness after success. Many people thought this was impossible, but Usain made it look easy. He broke the world record. A world record means the best performance ever recorded. People everywhere talked about him. Newspapers printed his picture. Television showed his race again and again. Children wanted to become like him. His famous pose became popular around the world. Pose means a special body position. Everyone smiled when they saw him. His confidence and joy made him different. But that was not the end of the story. Most people thought winning once was enough. Usain wanted more. He continued training. He continued improving. He knew staying number one was even harder. Harder means more difficult. In 2009, another incredible moment arrived. The World Championships took place in Berlin, Germany. Usain entered the 100-meter final again. People expected a great race. Nobody expected history. When the race started, Bolt flew across the track. He finished in only 9.58 seconds. Even today, that is the world record. The world was shocked. Shock means a strong feeling of surprise. Experts said this performance might never be repeated. Expert means someone with a lot of knowledge. Just a few days later, Bolt did something even more amazing. He also broke the world record in the 200-meter race. Running both races at such speed seemed unbelievable. Unbelievable means very difficult to believe. People started calling him a legend. A legend is someone who becomes famous for great achievements. His smile became famous. His celebrations became famous. But people often forgot how much hard work stood behind every victory. Every morning there was training. Every afternoon there was practice. Every evening there was recovery. Recovery means allowing your body to become strong again after hard work. Many people only saw the medals. They did not see the years of sacrifice. Sacrifice means giving up something important to reach a goal. Usain had to miss parties. He had to follow strict rules. Strict means very careful and serious. He had to eat healthy food. He had to sleep well. He had to train even when he did not feel like training. That is what champions do.
Champion means someone who wins the highest prize. But things were about to get much harder. Being famous is not always easy. Everywhere he went, people wanted photographs. Photographs means pictures. Everyone wanted to meet him. Everyone expected him to win every race. If he finished second, people were surprised. Sometimes they even criticized him. Criticize means to say someone did something badly. That can be difficult for anyone. Even great athletes have bad days. Usain understood this. Instead of becoming angry, he stayed calm. Calm means peaceful and relaxed. He trusted his training. He trusted his team. He trusted himself. That helped him stay successful for many years. Another reason people loved Usain Bolt was his personality. Personality means the way someone thinks and behaves. He smiled often. He joked with reporters. A reporter is a person who gives news. He danced before races. He enjoyed making people laugh. Many athletes looked serious all the time. Bolt showed that confidence and happiness could exist together. Children admired him. Admire means to respect someone greatly. He inspired millions. Inspire means to encourage someone to do something positive. People realized that success does not mean you must stop smiling.
However, there was another challenge. As Bolt became older, his body changed. Running became more painful. Painful means causing pain. Young athletes started becoming faster. Every race became more competitive. Competitive means involving strong competition. Still, Bolt continued winning. He won again in the 2012 Olympic Games in London. He won again in the 2016 Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro. Winning 3 Olympic Games in a row was an incredible achievement. Achievement means something great that you successfully do. Very few athletes have done something like that. People around the world celebrated him. His name became part of sports history. History means events from the past. But every great story must come to an ending. In 2017, Usain Bolt decided to retire from professional running. Retire means to stop working after many years. His final races were emotional. Emotional means full of strong feelings. Fans thanked him. His teammates thanked him. Even his competitors respected him. Respect means showing admiration for someone.
His last race was not perfect. He suffered an injury. He could not finish as he wanted. Many people felt sad. After such a wonderful career, they wanted a perfect ending. But sometimes life does not give us a perfect ending. Sometimes life gives us an honest ending, and that is enough. Bolt's greatest success was not just running fast. It was showing the world what dedication can achieve. Dedication means giving your full effort to something. He proved that talent alone is not enough. Talent is important, but discipline is also important. Discipline means doing what you should do even when you do not feel like it.
He practiced, he learned, he improved, day after day, year after year. That is why he became number one. After retirement, Bolt spent more time with his family. He also worked on business projects. Project means a planned piece of work. He continued inspiring young athletes around the world. He visited many countries. He spoke to students. He encouraged children to follow their dreams. Dream means something you hope to achieve in the future. His message was always simple. Believe in yourself. Work hard. Never stop learning. Never stop improving. These ideas are useful not only in sports, but also in life. They are useful for learning English too. Maybe today your English is not perfect. Maybe you make mistakes. Mistake means something that is not correct. That is okay. Every learner makes mistakes. Every expert was once a beginner. If you practice every day, you will improve. Just like Usain Bolt improved little by little. Success does not happen overnight. Overnight means very quickly. Real success comes from small daily efforts. Effort means hard work. Every new word you learn is one step forward. Every sentence you practice makes you stronger. One day, people may look at your success and think it was easy.
But you will know the truth. You will remember every hour of practice. You will remember every mistake. You will remember every challenge, and you will smile because you never gave up. Usain Bolt's story teaches us many valuable lessons. First, believe in your abilities. Ability means something you can do well. Second, listen to good teachers and coaches. Sometimes they can see your future before you can. Third, do not fear failure. Failure means not succeeding. Every failure teaches something important. Fourth, stay humble. Humble means not thinking you are better than others. Even after becoming famous, Bolt continued thanking his family, coaches, and supporters.
Finally, enjoy your journey. Life is not only about winning, it is also about learning, growing, laughing, and helping others. That is what makes a beautiful life. Today, we learned about a boy from a small town who became the fastest man in the world. We learned new English words. We learned about courage. Courage means the strength to face fear. We learned about determination. Determination means never giving up on your goal. Most importantly, we learned that great success begins with small daily actions. Maybe you will not become the fastest runner in the world. Maybe your dream is different. Perhaps you want to speak English confidently. Perhaps you want a better job. Perhaps you want to study abroad. Whatever your dream is, remember the story of Usain Bolt. Keep moving forward. Keep believing. Keep practicing. One small step every day can change your future. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, listen again and practice the new words. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.